Hey guys, welcome back to WP Event Manager. And in this video, we're gonna talk about the attribute for our event shortcode, that's show category multi-select. Okay, so in this series, we are talking about all the attributes that the event shortcode expects or allows us to configure, and we can configure the event listing page that comes out of the event shortcode and in various way using these attributes over here. So let's recap what we have done so far. We have explained about the per page attribute, the order by, the order, show filter, show categories, show event types, show tags, and show ticket prices. Okay, and in this video we're gonna talk about the very next one, that's show category multi-select. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this keyword or the attribute to my clipboard, and this attribute over here expects one boolean value, so it's either true or false. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna paste the attribute to our arsenal of attributes that we have already pasted over here. So you see the list over here is getting very large because we are not omitting all the past attributes. I'm gonna this is a custom events page, to be honest, and the original default events page are over here. I made this event page for the demonstration only. Okay, so but you can modify the original events page as well. It has the event shortcode inside it, so you can modify the attributes to achieve your customized event listing experience. Okay, so let's talk about show category multi-select. What is it and how it works? So take a look at this category drop down over here. What you see, it's a drop down. So when you select an category over here, it lets you select one category at a time. Okay, so you can filter using the categories, but one at a time. Okay, so you cannot multi-select any categories over here. So that's the default behavior. Okay, so that means the show category multi-select is always false. Okay, I didn't update the page, so it's still loading the last version. So let's set it to true and see for ourselves what change it brings to the event listing page. Okay, so by default it's always false, and if we set it to true and reload this page over here, and you will see the selection we made, the filter over here is now acting little differently. Okay, so let's close this one. What happens, we have all the events. All right, so let's say if we choose one category there, so it's not the same anymore. It lets you choose more than one category to filter your events from. So that's how cool it is to enable multi-select functionality in the event category drop down by one attribute only. Okay, so I personally think everyone should have multi-select functionality in the drop down, when it's come to filtering. So I'm giving an example. Okay, so if I choose another let's say category over here, and then the events will be sorted by these two categories. Okay, right over here. Pretty simple and pretty neat. So that's how easy it is to enable category multi-select on the event listing page via one single attribute. That's so category multi-select, and you set it to true and magic happens in the event listing page. So come join me in our next video where I will talk about the show event type multi-select and what its functionality is. But considering most of the users already guessed what event type multi-select is, but I still expect you guys over here in our next video. So until next time, I'm Sharad saying goodbye. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.